turkey.
What's up, guys? We're here with David at his little farm area. We're gonna be camping slash cooking and all that crap. First, we gotta grab the generator.
Put too much weight on it.
All right, there we go. That's gonna power our lights, fans, etc.
So
I've got this thermal sleeping bag. We're gonna go on a like 4-mile hike or just around this little property. So David and I are also gonna cook some crappie over there or somewhere. All right, so we're gonna do that little 4-mile hike. So he said 1 lap around the property's about a mile, and we just have to do 4 and we'll be good. Yo, David, let me see yours. That's tough. We got all set up in there. I'm probably gonna use my bag in there as a pillow. That's what I usually do on campouts, and it generally is more comfy for me. We're stocked up on drinks. Yeah. We brought our fishing poles. I don't know if we're really gonna be fishing for a while, but yeah. This one keeps trying to join us on our adventures. So it started raining, so we can't really start a fire. So I think we're gonna cook it on a stove.
Gordon Ramsay's gonna be in the chapters.
You did not take kindly to that.
we're not screwing around.
We're doing very kind things.
Hey, Mom?
I don't know what I have.
Never do that again.
We're gonna get some freaking comment from Gordon Ramsay. Cooking with Lincoln here. We're gonna let these ones get extra crispy.
Is it ready yet? Oh,
Yellow. Nope.
Bacon.
Ooh, that's crispy.
that? Mr. Ramsay.
That's good. That's chicken sandwich. What's a better say? My dad and he did all Cub Scouts. My dad was trying to help me get to Eagle, but I don't know what'll happen. I wanted to.
Oh, so she joined in, so right?
Yeah. It's an old compared to the other Scouts.
You hacked the room.
All of our fish is ready. We can make fish sandwiches.
There we go. Stop coughing.
You know, this used to be Gerald. All right, we got it hooked up. We're probably gonna go to bed now. All right, we're in the tent.
The tent won't close.
Yeah, water from the rain is spewing out of the lid, and it will not shut. The zippers will not work. Like,
One eternity later.
oh, what a beautiful morning.
Wakey, wakey, bud. Wakey, wakey.
So we just put away the tent and we're gonna go make breakfast.
Brash. Cocaine addict.
Bacon.
Bacon grease. Put all these in there.
Yeah. How many eggs do you think we should do?
Close, too. It's pretty close, though. Almost, that's almost done.
Put all of them in. The eggs should be pretty much done. How's the bacon looking, David? Ooh. All right, we just ate breakfast. We're gonna go fishing for bass in his pond. Hey, run. We're letting the cats out. Diana. Wait, I got the right here.
Wanna hold the ducky?
Ducky.
Let's just walk down there.
All right, now we're really gonna start going.
Stop being with George.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, fish. Oh, fish. Oh, good size one, too.
Ooh. Hey, bud. These catch on the green one?
Yeah. All right, guys, that's the first fish. I don't know if that's the only fish, but yeah. Yeah, the horses are interested in my fish.
Hey! You released them wrong.
All right, we got the fish food over here, and we're gonna feed the bass and whatever's in there. Also, his dad needs to know if there's like catfish in there or not before he stocks it more. So we're gonna see if there's any catfish out there. That's gotta be my favorite sound of the outdoors. We got the chairs up in the back. I got a root beer I'm gonna drink. And like I said, we're gonna see if there's any catfish in here because they're gonna stock this pond at some point and they just wanna know if there's catfish here. We got some catfish bait casted out there. He's got a bell. Put chairs in the back of the side by side and we're just gonna chill until we get something. What is he doing? All right, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Sorry it was a little bit shorter than I wanted. Be sure to stay tuned for the next video. See ya.